Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is pixels decoded, the binary secrets of digital images. You know that computers understand only one thing, and that is binary, means zeros and ones. But you can see images on your smartphone, laptops, computers. So how that is actually possible? So answer lies in pixels, color codes, and some very clever binary math. So question is, what are pixels? Pixels are the smallest building blocks of any digital image. Your image or your photo might contain millions of pixels, and each pixel holds information about a tiny dot of color. Okay, and when you see all those tiny dots together, you can see a whole image. That thing actually happens. So in computers, what is actually done, these pixels are denoted by numbers. They actually use one model that is known as the RGB model, or red green blue for RGB model, and each color actually is denoted by three numbers. Like for red, or pure red, this number is 255, 0, 0. So three numbers are there. These three numbers are converted into binary, and those binary numbers are actually stored in computer's memory or your smartphone's memory. Okay, those binary numbers are stored, not this 255, 0, right? So red is denoted by these three numbers. Again, G for green. Okay, green is denoted by 0, 255, 0, and then blue is 0, 255. 0, 255. So obviously for white, it should be what? 255, 255, and for black it is 0, 0. Actually, you know, these RGB are primary colors. If you mix these colors with different intensities, then you can get actually any color. So this is actually done in computers. Pixels are represented by these numbers. Okay, so you can see each pixel contains some information in binary form. Okay, so when you click an image to see it, suppose you are using a computer, you are clicking the image to open the image. You are clicking the image for what? Just to open the image. You want to see the image, so you are clicking the image. So what happens right at that moment? Right at that moment, your computer actually reads those binary information about the image. Okay, your computer reads those binary information about the image and sends that information to the graphics processor. And then your monitor lights up those correct pixels with right colors, and you can see the image. So underneath, what is there? Underneath only pixels are there, binary maths are there, clever binary maths are there. You can see the image, but underneath these things are present. Pixels are there, color codes are there, binary maths are there. And you know one more thing, that is compression of images to save storage. Okay, compressions are done, not in all cases, but in a few cases. You know, JPEG image is there, PNG. These are image types, file types. JPEG, PNG, GIF. Actually, using some clever math tricks, these images are compressed just to reduce the file size. Anyway, about compression, I'll make a separate video. So now this is the end of this video. Okay, I've already finished discussing about the topic. So what is there? You can see only binary images are there. Though this discussion is not in detail, okay, I'll make separate videos for everything. Anyway, so just what I have discussed here, just the concept about the connection between, the relation between those images, digital images, and those binary system of computers. Just whenever you are studying computer science, just keep in your mind that computers understand only one thing, binary. Keeping in mind this thing, you should study computer science. Then only you will be able to understand everything. Okay, you must try to connect your knowledge with that binary. That is the basic thing. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.